Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Support YouTube channel. In today's video, we will walk you through how to file your own taxes using the TaxTron Web software. Introduction to TaxTron Web. TaxTron Web is a fully cloud-based software, which means your tax files are securely stored online. You can access them from any computer, anytime, anywhere. Your data remains 100% safe and secure, unless you choose to delete it. For those who prefer desktop applications, we also offer a downloadable version. You can visit taxtron.ca to get the desktop software. In this tutorial, we will cover how to create an account on TaxTron Web, how to prepare a simple tax return, how to print the return, and how to file it electronically with the CRA. To begin, open any browser, for example, Google Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type NetFile t1.taxtron.ca. This is the official link for our T1 NetFile software. To create a new account, click on Sign Up and enter your email address. Then create a secure password that includes at least one digit from 0 to 9, at least one uppercase letter from A to Z, at least one non-alphanumeric character. Click Register once your details are filled in. Shortly after, you will receive a confirmation email. Open it. Click the confirmation link, and your account will be activated. Once confirmed, return to NetFile t1.taxtron.ca and log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, you will see three options. Start a new return. Open an existing return. Import. This is for rolling forward a return prepared in previous years. Click on Start a new return. Then, select your province of residence. Choose the tax year. Add a tag name, a helpful label to easily find your file later. Click Create. You will now enter the tax preparation interface. At the top menu, you will see the following tabs: Identification, Dependent, Income, Deduction, Provincial Tax, and Review and File. In the top right corner, you will find Files, to switch between returns, Sign Out, to exit your session. Below that, you will see Total Income, Income on line 101, Refund or Balance Owing. Also, two icons on the right. The book icon shows a 5-year comparison. The arrow icon gives a quick summary of your tax return. Now let's start creating the return. Under the Identification tab, enter your personal information, first and last name, date of birth, social insurance number, as registered with the CRA. You will also see a field for the NAC code. This is a unique code from last year's Notice of Assessment. It's optional, so if you don't have it, feel free to leave it blank. Continue by selecting your marital status as of December 31st. For this video, we will select Married. If your marital status changed during the year, answer the related question and provide the date of the change. Next, choose your province of residence as of December 31st. If your mailing address differs from your residential address, indicate the correct province. If you moved during the year, select Yes and enter the moving date. You will also confirm if your home and mailing addresses are the same. If you immigrated to or emigrated from Canada, select the appropriate option and provide the date. If this is your first time filing a tax return, check Yes. Otherwise, click Next to proceed. Note, on TaxTron Web, you are only required to answer questions relevant to your tax situation. If something doesn't apply, you can skip it. Now, enter your spouse's information. including their province of residence. Next, you will see the option to autofill your return. This feature allows you to import your tax information directly from the CRA, which saves time and reduces data entry errors. If any slips are missing, don't worry, you can still enter them manually. We've covered this in detail in another video, how to autofill your tax return, linked in the description below. Continue by entering your mailing address. Select your resident status. Enter your phone number. And answer the additional eligibility questions as applicable. If anything is missed or incorrect, the system will prompt you with an error. Just answer those questions and proceed. Repeat the same steps for your spouse. If you have children or are supporting someone financially, click Yes and enter the necessary details. For this example, we will choose No and move on. Now you will see a series of questions based on your income. Read each one and answer Yes to what applies. For example, if you worked in 2024, click Yes and select T4. You will then see questions related to properties or shares. If applicable, answer Yes and continue. The same steps apply to your spouse's income. You can distinguish between the two by background color. White, taxpayer. Yellow, spouse. Then, report all applicable T-slips, like T4, for both taxpayer and spouse. Click Next to view the income summary. Now we enter the Deduction tab. If you or your spouse contributed to RSPs, input the amounts. Continue reviewing each deduction category. And fill in only what's applicable. Repeat the same for your spouse. Next, move to the Provincial Tax tab and follow a similar process. After completing all the steps, we will reach to Review and File. This is the final section. Choose your benefit categories based on residency. If not applicable, move to the Diagnostic window to review errors, cautions, and information. Make sure to fix all red errors, these will prevent filing. Yellow cautions and green info can be reviewed but won't block the submission. Then head to the Optimization tab. Here, you can transfer non-refundable credits between taxpayer and spouse to maximize your refund or reduce your tax owing. Scroll down to see GST credit, Canada Child Benefits, other provincial or federal benefits. Next, answer the CRA questions for both the taxpayer and spouse. Now it's time to finalize your return. If there are no errors, you will see a green circle and a "Congratulations" message. At this point, you are ready to file. Before doing so, activate your software by entering personal information. Note, TaxTron Web is free, but activation is required before filing. After activation, print the return for your records. Or print the CRA submission copy to mail it, if preferred. To submit electronically, click the NetFile button. You will receive a confirmation number if it's accepted. If rejected, you will see the reason and can make corrections before resubmitting. Lastly, you can request the Express Notice of Assessment, NOA, by clicking the respective button. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. And we will see you in the next video.